My name is Barry Davies. I served with the Special Air Service for 18 years. For 2 of those years, I taught survival to fast jet pilots and special forces. The basic principles of survival are designed to keep you alive, be it from an ill-fated camping trip or a mission deep behind enemy lines. The principles are the same. This video is designed to teach you how to escape, evade, and survive. Your chances of survival are always good if you stay calm and think clearly.
Within the British Army, there is a regiment of elite crack troops. Everyone knows their name. Few know their secrets. Hand-picked, highly trained, obsessively focused. Their motto, who dares wins. Their name, the SAS. The SAS was formed in 1941 by Major David Sterling as a wildcard renegade outfit with the brief to seek, destroy and disrupt the enemy forces. A highly mobile, highly trained body of soldiers, their strengths, surprise and unpredictability. They were the forerunners of the modern-day SAS, the elite fighting force revered throughout the world. The cream of the British Army, each soldier is recommended for selection. The training is rigorous, the selection process exacting. Few make the grade. Those that do become highly trained fighting machines, with the emphasis on stamina, mental focus and imagination. But above all, the will to survive. For them, survival is life. Your mission is to locate and destroy the enemy airfield at 332439 using a laser target designator. Once in position, you will contact HQ using call sign Fortune 1 and direct fire onto target. Intelligence reports that the airfield, which until now has been inactive, is being deployed to bring in heavy artillery, contrary to UN mandate. This supply line is vital to the enemy, and the area is heavily patrolled. You are to avoid contact with the enemy at all costs. In the event of any contact or compromise, you are to bug out and make for the nearest UN location. In event of capture, your cover story is that you are UN troops who are lost. The patrol will be inserted 25 kilometers behind enemy lines at 700 hours. Insertion will be by helicopter. When operating deep behind enemy lines, a soldier must remember 3 basic skills: good route selection, all-around observation, and the ability to move and communicate silently. Sign language is imperative, allowing simple yet essential communication between each patrol member, alerting everyone's attention in the event of any compromising situation. But above all, be prepared for any event, and you should avoid detection. Even for the most highly trained soldier, detection by the enemy can come at any time. It is essential for the patrol commander to make sure that each member of the patrol knows the designated emergency rendezvous point. But it is down to each individual soldier to prepare and carry his own personal escape and survival equipment. Survival packages and equipment come in a variety of shapes and sizes. It is important to take only what is necessary for your individual needs. For example, if you are planning to go on a trekking expedition, you may well take a professional pack that contains all the items required to see you through any basic survival situation. An infantry soldier, however, may select a more simplified, dedicated kit, where the civilian counterpart may choose a full survival kit that has simplified visual information. However, special forces and members of the SAS will select their own survival items individually and pack it into a small tin, such as this. No matter which survival kit you choose, be it a small dedicated kit or a large professional pack, you should select the individual items with care. For example, for shelter, you may choose a shelter sheet or a small polythene bag that will protect you against the weather and the elements and prevent hypothermia. A soldier would select the green one, providing camouflage. His civilian counterpart, an orange one, for easy detection by the rescue services. Using the two polythene sacks, it's easy to make an emergency sleeping bag. Again, for camouflage, use the green sack on the outside. For signaling, the orange one on the outside. Fill up the cavity between the two sacks with any natural materials to hand, such as foliage, dead leaves, bracken. Even if the material is damp, once you are inside, you will be well insulated. For navigation, a range of equipment has been developed from the sophisticated GPS, the electronic global plotting system, to a simple button compass. Additionally, a soldier may carry a small escape map, which can be hidden in his clothing. One of the most essential survival requirements is the need to make fire. This can be done with a variety of simple equipment, such as a flint and steel and magnesium block. This will light approximately 4,000 fires, wet or dry. Also available are wind and waterproof matches. Once struck, they will burn for approximately 12 seconds without going out. It is also possible to use a simple magnifying glass. This requires dry tinder and direct sunlight. Signaling is also imperative for survival, and equipment for this ranges from a simple periwhistle, which is found in most life rafts and life vests, to more complicated equipment, like small hand flares, or for the military, a TACB survival radio. These are just a few of the numerous items. One of the other essential requirements for survival is water. A condom, when placed inside a sock, can be used as a water carrier, capable of carrying 2 liters of water. You may need to purify the water. This can be done with purification tablets or with a portable water purifier. There are various simple tools that can be carried in your survival kit to construct shelter or catch game, such as a commando wire saw.
Don't forget, a commando wire saw will convert into a very effective snare.
If you need to cut, you can carry a small knife or a large, more complex one, or a simple scalpel blade. For snares, you can include a length of brass wire. Make sure your survival kit is suited to the environment in which you are operating. When setting up an observation post, take great care in selecting your position. Obviously, it should command a good view of the target, but it should also provide a good cover from the enemy.
Tell you what, mate, this looks good. Yeah, it's the binos. There's a tower just down there on the right.
That road's a bit close.
Yeah, we got over at protection, haven't we?
Oh, you said there's planes at the end of the runway.
Yeah. There's something down to the left of the tower.
Yeah.
If we put the net up over the top here, and a sight in there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Right, mate, I'm going to get this radio set up and establish contact.
mate. What's a scoff?
Yeah, I won't mind, mate. Do with a good brew first.
Always make sure there is a good route of escape, and position a sentry to protect the rear. Once the observation post is set up, it is important to make your environment comfortable. You may be there for some time.
Clint Eastwood brew that, innit? Okay, mate.
Kind of control and give them a sit rep, mate.
0 Alpha, this is 3-2 Charlie, radio check, over. 3-2 Charlie, yeah, you Lima Charlie to me, we're out. Okay, mate, we're ready there.
Okay, we're grid 364425.
Okay, mate. 0 Alpha, 3-2 Charlie, we are at grid 364425.